Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to part two, the final video of this. Doing a craft room reset sort of thing. I didn't really move too many things around. However, I did clean up a lot. Um, so I'm going to take you around now. Watch the previous video. It shows the before. I'm going to show you now the after. I worked on it all day yesterday. Actually, it was actually a lot of fun. I enjoyed it because, as you all know, crafty friend Wanda, um, I talk to her every single day. She's quickly become one of my very best friends. Hi, Wanda. Anyway, she lives up in Canada. I'm down here in Delaware in the United States. Well, yesterday she said she was going to try to organize her craft space. So I was like, I need to too. Walls are closing in on me. Things are getting. Ugh. So we did it together. So she was up in her neck of the woods, and I was down here. And throughout the day, we just sent each other videos back and forth, encouraging each other and showing our progress and asking for advice. And it was actually a lot of fun. Um, and she accomplished a lot. I accomplished a lot. So I'm going to show you now what I've accomplished. But I highly recommend cleaning with a buddy, even if they're in another country. You can still do it. Just do little videos back and forth with each other here and there. We didn't go live. We just recorded. I sent her a little snippet. She sent me a little snippet. We did it all day long. It was a lot of fun. I hope you had fun too, Wanda, doing it. But anyway, I didn't mean to call you out. Like I know I do it every video, but I really called you out this time. Sorry. So I'm gonna flip you all around, and we are going to take a quick tour of my craft room. It still needs a lot of work, but it's manageable now. So I'm gonna flip you around. Hold on. Okay, first things first. I did end up hanging this up right here next to this one. It's a jewelry holder thing that I put my wooden stamps in. I obviously haven't filled any of them in here yet, but I do plan on doing it. I think it'll be okay to hold a little bit more weight on here. We will find out. So this is a double-sided one, as are these, but I put my smaller wooden stamps in here. The larger ones have been here. I haven't dusted here at all, but this is where they are displayed. These are mostly Christmassy ones here. These are, I didn't even touch the shelf. These are some projects I've done, whatnot. Over here I didn't do anything with either. These are my not my junk journal, my art journals. And these are a couple boxes that I'm saving for journal covers. So it's not trash. There is no such thing as trash when it comes to crafting. Anyway, I didn't do anything with this piece of furniture either. I can't even close it, actually. My main objective was over here, the overall flow. There's Taco, she's sleeping. Anyway, so this was the main objective. So if you watch the previous video, which I do recommend you go back and watch it, the before, this was a huge mess. This is my cutting station, embossing folder station, all that. So I have my little teeny tiny embosser, or not embosser, cutter, die cutter. My vagabond, her name's Victoria. She doesn't have a name yet, so somebody give her a name. My punches, all that's here. These all had to be cataloged. These were recently purchased from Temu and wherever. Dies and stamps that I have to catalog still. Anyway, these are all, not all, but these are some of my dies. This I have to go through still, but getting there. These are basically stickers and whatnot. These are my embossing folders. Don't want to make you all dizzy, but this is a work in progress still. I have to go through all this, so ignore it. I haven't really done much here other than move some stuff away from the walk area. A couple of these boxes are scraps that I have to go through, paper scraps, my markers, just stuff. stencils. You know, I like stencils. I didn't do much here at all other than make some room here. Okay. Tacos, food and water is still here. It's actually fresh food there. Over here I cleaned all this up. So if you remember this, I said I was going to throw away. I got it for free. It was drawers. And I hated the thought of getting rid of it altogether. The drawers didn't stay together. The frame pieces were broken. So I couldn't even fix them to get them right. I'm not a carpenter. I took the drawers out. And then I put the face of the drawers in here. I took the handles off and then I just shoved them under there and made 2 shelves. And so now this has all my my envelopes that I plan on doing junk journaling stuff with. My regular envelopes, copy paper, 110-pound papers in here, and then my regular 65-pound paper is there. This is my Big Kick. It's my manual die cutting machine that his name is now Charlie, because Wanda called George Charlie earlier today, and I was like, George, she's like, sorry, I got his name wrong. So I was like, okay, well now, Big Kick Charlie, that's his name now. My Texture Boutique's back there too. She doesn't have a name either. So anyway, so this all, that's some junk stuff, scraps and whatnot that I have to go through. This is all still a work in progress. However, clean surface. All right, I'm getting ahead of myself here. This is colored paper. I hardly ever use it. I usually use black and white, and then I just color my paper if and when I need it. Down in here are all magazines and packaging and just different things that I could pull papers or pictures off of. Back in here are my punches, most of my punches that I don't use much. That's self-explanatory. Stickers, printed paper, whatnot. This is also a bunch of scraps and stuff that I have to go through and organize. Over here is some ephemera that have been cut out, but that's filled. That has some. That has some. There's some in there, some in there, some in there. I have to go through all this stuff still. But look, I can walk. I vacuumed. And I can walk in here. Okay. Over here, these are all stamps that I have to stamp and catalog. That's my catalog there. But all these are all stamps that have to be stamped and cataloged. That's more paper. That's obviously paper. That whole stack is 12 by 12 paper or scrapbook paper. That is all my cardboard and packaging and like Amazon brown papers and whatnot. I'm not putting any more in there. I'll start picking out of it as I use it and it gets emptied. Then I'll start filling it again. The last video, if you watched, I plan on making a faux leather book cover with the toilet paper roll and paper towels. I don't know how it's going to work out. We'll see how that works out. These I didn't do much other than fix the one shelf that was down there. Wooden stamps. These are all greeting cards that I've made. And obviously my window, my pencil lamp. Back in here, I didn't do anything at all to. It still has my 12 by 12s. I tried to color coordinate it a while ago. Didn't do much up there, but I did put, I called these my alcohol markers. They're not alcohol markers. It's alcohol inks that I made from alcohol markers. So that's my homemade stuff. I like Minecraft, so I had some stickers. I just stuck them on there so I can get rid of the paper or the package it was in. My coffee dye station, I added some books to it that I plan on coffee dyeing, but that's my coffee dye station. My ribbon station, I added ribbons to it. Over here, I didn't do diddly squat. That wire there is for my air conditioner. We have a window unit here. And it gets plugged in behind there. So so I wouldn't lose it and don't have to bend over to get it. I just shoved it there. That's why that's there. There's my Halloween stamps, my Christmas stampy stuff, more Christmas stuff. Valentine's Day is over here. I'm with more Christmas stuff. Anyway, more stamps, more stuff, more stuff, more stuff. Down in here is my white scraps and my colored scraps and room to grow. Let me introduce you to George. This is George. George is my brother's scan and cut. He's had a couple weeks off now. I haven't used them in a couple weeks. Patty the printer is here. This I just got from Goodwill. It's a little magnetic thing. I figured I could put stuff on here. Cute, right? Okay, that's Patty the printer. Back to Taco. We're at my desk. Look at the floor, guys. You can actually see the floor. Trash can has to get emptied, but I vacuumed. Cleaned up my desk a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. I put my paper clips in those little containers there that I got from Dollar Tree and labeled them, by the way. It was a productive day, I'm telling you. So, yeah. I didn't do much else here. I need to get this more organized out. I don't use most of this stuff up here. Yeah. That all has to get organized still. But, then we're back to here. This has the punches that I use most. I can actually sit at my desk. This is where Taco sits. And this is the little spot that I have to sit on. I had a chair here. It's out in the hallway now. Oopsies. She just pushed me. So here's how I sit. Here's how she sits. Yeah. I had a chair sitting here, and I thought maybe if she was close to me, I had a little blanket on it, and if she was close to me, she'd be okay, and I could be more comfortable crafting, because my back kills me after a while sitting like this. But she didn't like that much. So my husband would come up and sit with me in the chair. So if he ever does come up again and wants to sit, I'll bring it in, but it just makes more sense to not have it in the room right now. So that is it, guys. That is my crafty tour part 2. This is my after. I still have a long ways to go. I'm still looking around. I got a lot of things to organize still, but I can breathe. I can move. I feel better, and I had a lot of fun doing it with Wanda. So, that's it, guys. I don't know what the next video is going to be, but stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.